ये गुमराह किया गया है इस आतंकवाद के अंधेरे में। तुम तो इतने बेरहम नहीं थे। दिया है इस आतंकवाद के अंधेरे में। तुम तो इतने बेरहम नहीं थे। One more. दिया गया। भी गुमराह किया गया है इस आतंकवाद के अंधेरे में। तुम तो इतने बेरहम नहीं थे।
अच्छा इसके बाद आपका क्लोज छोड़ा
दिल जला मूवी कर रही है, इसके बारे में अपने कैरेक्टर के बारे में बताइए। Well, it's a very interesting character. I would say it's something more than a normal Hindi film heroine does. I mean, there is a scope for me to perform. There's something more than just singing and dancing and smiling and looking good. And I have been loving working on this film. It was when we did the last schedule, that was in Manali. Suddenly, I was not even prepared for the schedule, and suddenly we landed up there. But then the unit has been very helpful, and I have enjoyed myself so much. And the character, I can say, is pretty close to me. Something similar to what I am at times. So it was not very difficult to do, with of course Mr. Harry Baweja's help. This is a girl who has a very strict father and has been brought up very strictly, and falls in love with this person who is totally out of her league. So obviously there is a trouble and there is a triangle and where the love is concerned, but somehow we end up resolving the whole thing, and how we reach that resolving part of it is very different. It's not the usual kind, so it makes it a very interesting doing or shooting of the film.
Coming to this film, there are two female leads, Madhu and you. So what are the contrasts between the two characters? What is the difference which comes across to the audience? One is playing a terrorist.
Yeah.
You were the one who's...
See, basically this is the love story of a terrorist. So I don't play the terrorist, that means I play the love. So that is the difference. How is it to work with Mr. Ajay Dev? It's great. We're all having a good time. Madhu is also a great co-artist. So is Ajay, and of course Mr. Harry Baweja is a great director. We're all having a great time. We're enjoying ourselves.
Yeah, as you said that it's a love story, so how would you say the character is different than just normal running around trees? Because there will be the share of songs in this.
There will be. I don't think any Hindi film is complete without songs, and I wouldn't want it to be complete without songs also, because somehow you feel very incomplete if there is a film without songs. We do enjoy them at certain points in commercial films. So we do have our bit of songs, but I think they picturize really well. And the way we're planning to picturize some of them it's a really nice way that we're doing it. And I think it's different. It's because I'm not playing just a decorative piece. I think I'm doing something a little more than that. There is some meaning for this character to be there in the film. The character has some meaning to be there. I'm not there just because there should be a heroine to sing and dance. I'm not there only because of that. So I think it is different because there is some meaning to my character.
इस फिल्म में आपका जो किरदार है उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए, किस तरह का किरदार आप इस...
हाँ, इट्स अ वेरी एक्साइटिंग रोल. इसमें मेरा रोल है एक टेररिस्ट का, और बहुत अलग टाइप का रोल है और बहुत मज़ा आ रहा करते हुए, क्योंकि मेरी जो इमेज है वो एक सॉफ्ट गर्ल की और वैसे टाइप की है, और इस फिल्म में मेरा रोल एकदम टफ. तो इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट एंड चैलेंजिंग फॉर मी और वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग.
जो आपने फिल्म करी थी रोजा, उससे आपको कुछ मदद मिली इस कैरेक्टर में? बिकॉज वो भी एक
उसमें मेरा मतलब टेररिस्ट के साथ को कुछ था ही नहीं.
बट द सेटअप ऑफ द सेम, इट वाज यू वर अगेंस्ट टेररिस्ट इन दैट फिल्म.
नहीं, बट इट वाज अ काइंड ऑफ अ लव स्टोरी ट्रैक. माय ट्रैक वाज अ लव स्टोरी ट्रैक. तो और वो एक अलग ही टाइप का रोल था. उस
हेल्प्ड यू इन एनी वे इन दिस फिल्म?
नो, फॉर मी व्हाट्स हेल्पिंग इन दिस फिल्म इज़ जो मैंने रोल किया था पहचान में, तो आई एम बोरोइंग अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ कैरेक्टराइजेशन फ्रॉम दैट कैरेक्टर, यू नो, दैट काइंड ऑफ फायर. रोजा के साथ मुझे इसमें कोई सिमिलैरिटी नज़र नहीं आई.
फीमेल टेररिस्ट, वुमेन टेररिस्ट, वेरी डिफिकल्ट कैरेक्टर टू पोर्ट्रे. ज़्यादा उसके बारे में ना जाना जाता है, ना लिखा गया है. So how do you prepare yourself for this role of a female and also a terrorist?
Harry Baweja, the director of this film, is very clear in his mind कि उन्हें क्या चाहिए और उन्होंने इस कैरेक्टर को कैसे कंसीव किया है और क्या सोचा है इस कैरेक्टर के बारे में. तो उनके साथ मेरी काफ़ी मतलब टॉक्स और डिस्कशंस हुई हैं, एंड ही इज़ हेल्पिंग मी बिल्ड अप माई कैरेक्टर. एंड बिकॉज इट इज़ डिफरेंट, इट इज़ मोर इंटरेस्टिंग, बिकॉज इट्स ऑल्सो लिटिल रिस्की. तो इसलिए अच्छा और ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है कि इस कैरेक्टर को कैसे करें, क्योंकि इससे पहले मैंने कोई कैरेक्टर ऐसा देखा नहीं है जिसके मतलब थ्रू इंस्पिरेशन लिया जाए. सो इट्स ऑल माइंड, सो इट्स मोर फन.
What is the overpowering thing? Is it a woman first? Is it a terrorist first?
It's a woman first, because this girl is in love with the guy, and yet she is a terrorist. So even terrorists can be in love, and terrorists is not like हम लोग जैसे मतलब सोचते हैं कि they are bad, they are mean. They are just motivated people. So maybe, you know, they are just. She can also fall in love and feel the same things. So it's very beautiful. It's very thin line, you know. Terrorists are not bad people, but just motivated people. So I don't know how to explain, but it's a beautiful character.
मधु, normally we see कि लड़की की इमेज बहुत सबमिसिव दिखाते हैं. Then only the women of India can take it. अगर कोई बहुत ही strong type of character, कोई negative role दिखाते हैं किसी लड़की का, women of India can't take it. How do you think your character in this movie, women of India?
No, it's positive character. It's not a negative character. And that's what I meant कि जब आप पिक्चर देखेंगे तो आप समझ जाएंगे. सिर्फ एक वर्ड में बोलना कि टेररिस्ट है तो ऐसा लगता है कि विलन है, पर ऐसा नहीं है. अगर आप पिक्चर देखेंगे तो by circumstances she is in a group of terrorists, but and because she's brought up and growing with them, she feels like a terrorist. But when she's in love, she's different, and if I have to explain this character, I have to tell the whole story. So you must see the film and enjoy. And as far as doing negative character, हमारे फिल्म में एक चीज़ मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि there's something wrong, because when they show a hero, they show a superhuman hero. A normal person like you and me, who are good human being, we do have evil thoughts. When we are hurt, we want to hurt. So I am ready to play a negative shade of a character. I'm really ready to play, because you know. पर मेरी एक ही कंडीशन होगी कि उस फिल्म में दूसरी हीरोइन नहीं होगी. And I am ready to do any negative role. But the problem is, if there's another girl, another heroine, singing cute songs and doing good things, then they will call her heroine, and what will they call me? A vamp? अगर ऐसी कोई फिल्म हो जिसमें एकदम पावरफुली स्ट्रॉन्ग नेगेटिव रोल हो एंड आई एम द ओनली हीरोइन, आई एम रेडी टू डू इट.
गुमराह किया गया है इस आतंकवाद के अंधेरे में. तुम तो इतने बेरहम नहीं थे. दिया है इस आतंकवाद के अंधेरे में. तुम तो इतने बेरहम नहीं थे. One more. किया गया. तुम्हें गुमराह किया गया है इस आतंकवाद के अंधेरे में. तुम तो इतने बेरहम नहीं थे.
अच्छा, इसके बाद आपका क्लोज